Hey everyone, today we are starting a brand new series called Idea to Empire. This series is not about motivation. This series is not about shortcuts. This series is not about becoming rich overnight. This series is about thinking differently because every empire you see in the world today, whether it is a business empire, a brand empire, or a personal empire, started with one simple idea followed by clear thinking and consistent action. Most people spend their entire life waiting for the perfect idea, but empires are not built by waiting. They are built by understanding how ideas actually work. Today in episode 1, I will show you how an idea turns into an empire step by step. Listen carefully, think deeply, and most importantly, do not rush this process. Welcome back to SSWorks, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning, and smart living. My name is Saibaz Sultani. Let's enjoy the show. Step 1. What an idea really means in business. Most people misunderstand the word idea. They think an idea is an imagination. They think an idea is creativity. They think an idea is something magical. But in business, an idea is very simple. A business idea is a solution to a real problem that people are willing to pay for. That's it. No problem means no business. No solution means no value. No value means no money. Every empire without exception started by following a problem better than others. Step 2. Why most people never get business ideas? People often say, I am not creative. I never get ideas. I am not made for business. The truth is not that they lack of ideas. The truth is that they never observe. Ideas do not come to noisy minds. Ideas come to quiet, observant minds. People who always distracted never notice problems, and people who never notice problems never build businesses. Step 3. The difference between job thinking and empire thinking. Job thinking asks how much salary will I get? Empire thinking asks how much value can I create? Job thinking waits for instructions. Empire thinking looks for opportunities. The moment you stop waiting for permission to think, you take your first step toward building an empire. Step 4. Why every empire starts small? There is a dangerous myth that says if the idea is not big, it is not worth starting. This belief destroys more dreams than failure ever will. Every empire started small. Every successful business begins with one customer. Every brand begins with one service, one product, one solution. Small beginnings are not weakness. They are proof that something real is being built. Step 5. Your life is your first business education. Do not need to look far for ideas. Your life already contains them. Your job, your struggles, your failures, your family businesses, your daily problems. All of these are raw materials for business ideas. People who build empires do not escape their experiences. They use them. Step 6. Problem based thinking is the foundation of empires. There is a simple formula you must remember. Problem, solution, demand, money. If a problem is small, the business will be small. If the problem is large, the opportunity is large. Successful people do not chase money, they chase problem worth solving. Step 7. Why passion alone is not enough. Passion without demand is dangerous. You can solve something deeply, but if no one is willing to pay for it, it will remain a hobby, not a business. A real business requires customers, cash flow, consistency, long-term demand. Passion is fuel, not direction. Step 8. How to train your mind to see ideas daily. Ideas are not rare. Trained thinking is rare. To train your mind, observe how people struggle, listen to complaints, watch how people spend money, notice inefficiencies. When you do this daily, ideas become unavoidable. Step 9. Copying is not wrong. Blind copying is. Every industry already exists. What matters is not originality, but execution and positioning. You are not copying a business, you are learning a model and improving it. Empires are built by intelligent adaptation, not blind imitation. Step 10. Why most ideas fail after they start? Ideas fail not because they are bad, but because people quit too early. Common reasons: impatience, ego, lack of discipline, emotional emotional decision making. Empire builders are calm, consistent, and boring. Step 11. Ideas are common, execution is rare. Everyone has ideas, very few people execute. One execution average idea is more powerful than a thousands perfect ideas that stay in mind. Execution is what separates thinkers from builders. Step 12. Fear is a natural part of empire building. Fear will always exist. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of loss. The goal is not to remove fear. The goal is to grow strong enough to move despite it. Courage is not absence of fear. Courage is action in the presence of fear. Step 13. Empire thinking requires long-term vision. Employees thinking in months. Empire builders think in years. Short-term comfort leads to long-term freedom. Anything meaningful takes time. Step 14. You must change your identity first. You do not build an empire first. You become the person capable of building one. Your discipline must change. Your thinking must mature. Your responsibility must increase. Personal growth always comes before business growth. Step 15. Final message from idea to empire. If you are waiting for the perfect idea, you will wait forever. If you start solving small problems today, one day people will call your journey an empire. This was episode 1 of Idea to Empire. In the next episode, I will show you how business ideas are actually born in the real world. If this episode changed the way you think, like this video, subscribe to SSverse and comment I am ready to build my empire. This is Shahbaz Sultani and this is just a beginning. See you soon.